Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, and welcome back to the third robotics tutorial. And today you are going to make a robot, object follower robots using Microbit. So, like usual, this is the kit that we need. So the first, as usual, we need the Microbit chips. And here I use Microbit V2. And then after that we need your robots. You can make robots by yourself, but I usually use robot that from a vendor. Like here I use from Eveyone. But if you use robot from like vendor, you have to install the robots plugins. But if you make by yourself, it will be more better. So to make it the tutorial, there is different way to make the tutorial, depends on your robots. Okay, like that. So let's go to the code sections. Okay guys, here is the code section. So as usual, go to your makecode.microbit.org and then click new project in the dashboard, new project in here, and then give it the name by object follower. Okay, then click the create buttons. So after that there is two blocks, and then remove the onStart block, and then there is a forever. But in this video we'll use three forever. So the first variable, the first we have to add new extensions, and it depends in your robots. As usual, I use TinyBits, and this is the keyword. And if you want the keyword too, if you use TinyBit, you can get it in description below. Then click enters, and there's the extensions of TinyBits. Click it, adding the extensions, and the extensions was added. So after that, the first variable we'll fill it with variables. So make new variables in here and name it as these things. Okay, then click OK, and then take the set instance, and then go to the TinyBits, take the ultrasonic return distance and put it to replace the 0. Okay, this is the first forever. And then the second one, take the forever gained, and then go to logics, take the if then else, and click the plus icon to add some if then. Okay, after that go to logic, take and put it in the second column of else if. Okay, after that go to the logics again, take the less than in here, and then go to variables, take the distance, put it in here, and then in the first columns replace the 0 to 15. Okay, after that copy these comparisons, duplicate, and put it in the else if in the first columns, and then change it to the more than 15, and then duplicate it again and put it in the second columns, and then change it to less than, change it to 30. Okay, and the last is we need to go to the TinyBits and take the car control speed. Where is it? Okay, so in the first column of if dance, we have to change it to back and speed to maybe 100. Okay, wait, I think 70, just 70. Okay, wait, 50, I think 50, just 50 is enough. Okay, then duplicate it in the second column of if then, change it to run and speed 50, and the last is in the third column, that is else, change the car control speed to stop, speed 0. Okay, of that. Okay, maybe Exactly, there is another option that optional optional like feature that you can add. That is, maybe I will tell you. So take the if then, put it in here. This is just an additional part. If you want to skip it, that's okay. Okay, but it will add new feature in your bots. So then take the logics and then take the less than, put it to replace the true, and then change it to the 5. Take new variable distance and wait, okay, and copy it and increase the speed to 70. Oh wait, I think, okay, 70, and repeat it. Wait, okay, just like this. Okay, if then if the distance is, wait, the distance, just duplicate this, wait, duplicate this, then put it in the true, and then wait, oh, we haven't need it, just like this. Distance, maybe change the 15 to 25, I think. Yes, 25. So it will make your bot when it nearest or more far with your object, it will be faster. Your bot will be faster. So next to this third forever, copy this forever, just copy it. Okay, this is the third forever. Remove this card control speed, all of the card control speeds. So after that, in the basics, take the show icon and then go to TinyBit, then take the RGB card big value. The first column of the if is use the yellow because it will move to back. So we will give it yellow, and then okay, just give these icons. I don't know what is this, small diamond. Yes, give the small diamond icon, and then duplicate, and then go give the green because the robot will run to front, and then show icon, big diamond, change it to big diamond, and then the last one, change icon to X. So our robot will not move if there is no object in front. Right. Okay, so this is the code. So to transfer our this entire code to your Microbit chips, you can see my tutorial, the first of my robotic tutorial. There is a tutorial how to transfer it to your Microbit chips. Okay, next to the demo sections. Okay guys, this is the demo sections. So here's the robots. So let's start it, turn it on. Okay, it's working. The robot will do nothing if there's no object in front of it. So how about if I put my hand in front of this robot? Okay, it will follow, but when my hand it will near by the robot, it will move to back. Okay, let's again. Yes, it will follow my hand, and what if like this, it will become more faster and faster. This, see, this is amazing. Let's try again. Yes, the robot will follow my hand. Amazing, right? So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for all of you that watching this robotic playlist tutorial, and for those I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.